Yeah, I think the best thing to do is just ignore it. I mean, how bad can it get? Do you have any nines?
No.
It's the other people that I'm worried about. I think your allergy is starting to seriously get on their nerves.
What do you think?